We're absolutely delighted to be here today to announce that Redcar and Cleveland Borough Council have granted planning consent for the delivery and development of the UK and Europe's first ever lithium hydroxide factory here at Middlesbrough on the PD Port site. This represents a major milestone in the Green Lithium Development Programme. It sets the parameters for the design of the project and it allows us to start planning for construction. This project for the local community means a major investment in the Middlesbrough area. It is in the order of £1 billion worth of investment that we intend to make over the development of the project, and it will mean up to 1,200 construction jobs at peak and up to 250 permanent jobs on site when the plant is commissioned.
Congratulations on this exciting development and milestone in your journey to deliver the UK's first lithium refinery. Lithium is an essential component of batteries, and a secure supply will be critical for our automotive and green energy industries. Green Lithium's plans for a refinery in Teesside highlight the UK as a strategic location for refining and midstream manufacturing, reinforcing the UK as a leading player in the global race for critical minerals and supporting the aims of our critical minerals strategy. The government is supporting critical minerals through the Automotive Transformation Fund and will continue to explore how it can support UK companies in building the diversified, responsible and resilient critical mineral supply chains of tomorrow. Congratulations once again, and I look forward to visiting and seeing the amazing technology firsthand in the near future.